okay. Got my bag, everything. Smart.
You want to make some movie and some video?
Yeah, I'm recording it. I will send you a link when we've uploaded it. You okay for room, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. I have big box on my motorbike, but put everything in. Not do like this.
Yeah. It's okay. Never mind.
As long as it's okay for you, yeah. You have to drive.
Yeah.
How long you say you've been taxi here for?
Oh, it's about a long time. In here about 15 years.
Oh, that long time. You're not everywhere then.
Yeah, I know that. Yeah.
I don't really want to explore really this time, you know, maybe next time, because I've not feel good this time, so. I've been sick, so.
It's okay, so Thai and Vietnam very close.
Yeah.
So this year, have you been back to your country or you
No, not for. No.
In Thai, the New Year is same Western New Year.
Yeah, but the Chinese April, isn't it? 13 Songkran, so that's. Celebrate same December here, or have Vietnamese New Year?
Oh no, Vietnamese New Year is February.
Ah, okay. But you have the foreigner New Year as well, yeah? Same.
Foreigner New Year in January.
Okay.
But foreigner they use only 1 day.
Yeah.
Vietnamese we use 10 days for Happy New Year.
Okay.
Big celebration.
Yeah, that's quite far. 15, isn't it, really?
Yeah, 15 kilometers. It takes about hour sometimes, you know, because sometimes busy traffic. So sometimes not busy, about 40, 45 minutes.
Oh, it's still quite far, isn't it?
Yeah.
That's for me, you know, I want to go for the bar in Phuket. It's 20 kilometers. So it's far, really, I know.
So you won't go back to England definitely, right?
I don't know when I'm going back, so don't know yet. Take me a week really to adjust here, because it's a bit different. I don't think it's gonna be so busy city really. I don't know what I think. I don't think anything. just come here and think, oh wow, very busy.
Too busy.
Yeah. You know, I go Bangkok, but I just get BTS to get around and walk. So not here. You have to. It's motorbike, isn't it? That is. And yeah, walking, I think it's very difficult. Really, have to look too much. Say, you do video and you get content. No. I walked down Morgan Street last night, Daddy. I think, oh, too much.
Where? In Building Street?
Oh. Yeah.
Yeah, very crowded.
Oh, it's too crazy. I think, oh, I can't be doing with this. Yeah, the guy take me near the river and he showed me around some, I don't know, some market a little bit. But, I'm not feeling too good anyway, I don't want to go there. But he's late, you know, he showed me, I don't know, 10 o'clock at night. So what time you working till? Your daytime you said, didn't you?
Daytime.
Yeah, that's better. Too much problem, I think, night time and everything. Not many foreigners drive the car here, or?
No.
Not really, no.
Only motorbike is okay. They can ride, but in car,
Yeah, I not got the train from Bangkok yet. It's 8 p.m. tonight, I think. And it takes 3 hours. Oh no. So I will be Bangkok 1 p.m. today, 1:30. And then I go to Bang Sue, you know, the train station. So
you have to get another transportation.
Yeah.